Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak Custom Design that's currently in stock. So this particular range is in the white, it's got the contrasting black Raptor kit, and it's also got the really nice option of the power roller cover on the rear as well, and I'll show you that in a bit more detail as we go around the back of the vehicle. So straight away you can see this really stands out over and above your standard Wildtrak vehicle. It's got a number of enhancements on it that I think in the contrasting black Raptor kit it really sort of stands out on the road. So let's go around and point them out to you. So front end view, you've got the Ford Raptor style front grille with the Ford lettering. You've got the lower bumper bar down there and the bonnet scoop as well. You get front and rear light covers. You've got the Raptor style wheel arch kit with 20-inch alloys and brand new all-terrain tyres. Top of the windows get the sun deflectors to give that nice sleek look. Now this is the 2-litre twin turbo model, so 213 brake horsepower. You've also got the 10-speed gearbox as well, which comes with the 2-litre model. Being the new shape, you've got the leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. It's very car-like as well on the newer Wildtrak. So interior's got touchscreen navigation, and also it's a lot smoother than the older models used to be. So very car-like to drive. Coming around to the rear, you've got the Ford tow bar. That's the power roller cover I was talking about. So with the power roller cover, you don't get the handle on the back, so you get a nice sleek line on the rear. And there's 3 ways to open and close it. First way is to push the button, and it will power open all the way until you push the button again, and you can stop it at any position. So it could have opened all the way, or I've stopped it any point I wanted to. Push the button a second time, it then closes, and again I could stop it at any point, or I could have it fully closed like that. So that's one way to open and close it. The other way is on the key fob. There's a button on the key fob, and the third way is the button inside the cab of the vehicle next to the steering wheel. So 3 ways to open and close that power roller shutter. So it's a nice, really big upgrade over and above your standard roller cover with the pull cord. Alloys unmarked, tyres brand new. That's white lettering on the tyres. It looks blue at the moment because just the packaging that came out of the brand new tyre. So you get white writing on the side of the tyres. So that's my favourite view on these Rangers, front end view. I think they look really aggressive, really smart on the road. As we go inside, let's point out a couple of exterior features. So you've got the brighter front lights, you've got the daytime running lights, much brighter than the older model. You've got front and rear sensors, you've got a reversing camera, you get privacy glass on that rear window, keyless entry, so keys in your pocket, vehicle unlocks as you go inside, as you touch the door handle, power driver's seat, auto lights, power folding wing mirrors, auto wipers. This Ranger was serviced at Ford at 12,500 miles, which is the time it's supposed to be serviced, and now it's on 16,163. Safety features, it's a bit bright, but I'm going to just tell them to you. So you've got driver assist feature on the Ranger. Let's zoom in here. What you have got is lane keeping. So you've got lane keeping, it can alert and aid. I'm going to try and move the camera. See, there we go. Can we see that better? Yeah. Lane keeping, pre-collision warning, speed limiter and traffic signs. The traffic signs quite good because it tells you the speed you're in the road you're in. Let's put it back to the slow mode. So that's not, the sun's shining on it. On the left-hand side, you can have the navigation, entertainment on phone. There you've got your nav screen. Let's zoom back out. Rear camera, front and rear sensors, DAB radio with FM, AM and CD. The other nice thing about this, as I say, it's all touchscreen, but you've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. And we can change things like ambient lighting on this vehicle. Heated seats for the driver and passenger, USB points, air conditioning, 10-speed auto box with this auto mode, sport mode, and you can change the gears yourself. And you've got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low gear ratio. Cruise control and speed limiter I forgot to tell you about. A quick look at the interior condition. Very nice and clean in here. In the rear as well. Zoom out a little bit if we can. There we go. Armrest, you've got ISOFIX points if you want to fit child seats. You've got a plug socket down there as well as a 12-volt, so a 3-pin plug. So that's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak Custom Design in white, contrasting black Raptor kit, power roller cover. If you've got any questions or want any other colours, speak to me. I'm Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching the video.